ครับขบวนรถที่ต่อเนื่องนะครับ
Excuse me, but is this taken?
No, it's not. You sit down if you want to.
How far are you traveling?
I am going as far as you.
Are you on a travel trip?
Yes, I have a travel meeting.
Do you know when we will arrive in Zurich?
According to the timetable, we would arrive there at 4 p.m.
Do you think the train will arrive on time?